Machine Learning, Scatter Plots in Python, a comprehensive guide to using scatter plots in data visualization and machine learning. Scatter plots used to visualize data points in 2 dimensions, helping identify relationships between variables. The basic structure involves plotting data on x and y axes. Matplotlib is a fundamental library for basic plotting, while Seaborn offers enhanced visualizations. Both libraries can be installed using pip. Preparing data involves cleaning it for accuracy, handling missing values, and normalizing data ranges to ensure effective scatter plot visualization. Scatter plots can be customized by adjusting colors, selecting appropriate markers for data points, and adding labels to provide context and clarity. Analyzing scatter plots helps detect trends, identify outliers, and assess relationships between variables, providing insights into data patterns. In machine learning, scatter plots are useful for feature analysis, model evaluation, and identifying data distribution, aiding in understanding model performance. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.